Yeah, yeah. You still chose someone else. I gave you my time, my trust, my truth. Every late night call, every I love you. I stayed when it hurt, when it wasn't fair. Built my whole world like you'd always be there. I saw forever in your eyes, but you were hiding your goodbyes. I held on while you let go, 'cause I was the last to know. Now I'm staring at the pieces on the floor, wondering what we were fighting for. You still chose someone else. After all we've been through, gave you all of myself, but it wasn't enough for you. I was right here the whole time, loving you through every storm, but you walked out of my life like what we had meant nothing at all. You still chose someone else. I remember the way you said my name, like I was the only one in your lane. Now I hear it don't sound the same, 'cause love to you was just a game. All the promises, where did they go? All the plans we made, you let them go cold. I was building dreams, you were breaking ties, smiling at me with hidden lies. Now I'm left with memories I can't erase, and the truth I never wanted to face. You still chose someone else. After all we've been through, gave you all of myself, but it wasn't enough for you. I was right here the whole time, loving you through every storm, but you walked out of my life like what we had meant nothing at all. You still chose someone else. You still chose someone else. Oh, maybe one day you'll see what you lost, the love that was real, no matter the cost. But I won't be here when you come around. I'm learning to heal, I'm putting me down. Oh, I'm rising above, I'm letting you go, even if it hurts more than you know. You still chose someone else, but I'm choosing myself, picking up all the pieces, putting back my health. I was right here the whole time. Now I'm walking away, 'cause I find